the scent of Nyamira. Politics being what it is, Mr. Speaker, it's quite clear that the two bulls of Nyamira, the governor is controlling one house, and maybe the other bull, Senator Mugeni, is controlling the other assembly. It is on this backdrop, Mr. Speaker, that I appear.
What is your point of order, Senator Mugeni?
You know, Mr. Speaker, I have a lot of respect for my seniors, including Senator Abbas. You know, Senator Abbas made a statement, and I've read through the report. He made a remark to the effect that one group is controlled by a governor and another group is controlled by a senator. I've read the report that he has tendered before this House from...
Mr. Speaker, with due respect to my brother, I have nothing against you. I have no interest in Nyamira. It is on the strength of the speech by the chair of the committee who has actually brought in the possibility that the two of you control the warring parties. And therefore, I'm free to comment. In fact, Mr. Speaker, the reason why I sat very well with Senator Mungatana about bringing in other parties, including the church and other players like elders, is because he was now pursuing the possibility that it is not points of law, it is just ego amongst two people who are unable to work together. If indeed, Senator Mugeni, that is not the case, then I can tell you the best thing to do so as to resolve this matter quickly is to agree, just like bank robbers, the MCS and the leadership in Nyamira is fighting over money. Mr. Speaker, if that be the case, because the control of budget has refused to be proactive, let us find that this is a breach of the financial control mechanism. Let us also find that this breach is persistent, and Mr. Speaker, therefore, let us invoke Article 225 of the Constitution. Otherwise, what did you want the chairman of devolution to do? To go with the machetes to Kisii and tease people so that they listen to him? He has come and told us where he is. Mr. Speaker, this is a progress report. We all chair committees. We know how difficult it is for a committee to complete work. You can want to complete work in 30 days, but because of the volume of work that comes to the chair and the secretariat, it can stretch sometimes to 90 days. Mr. Speaker, let us not just give our chairman a bad name so as to slaughter him. It's a good effort, but the House should help him by invoking 225. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
First I want to thank you for giving me the floor, but I beg to oppose the proposed amendment. That amendment, Mr. Speaker, is speaking to the finality of that report. Mr. Speaker, I took my time to listen because I have very serious concern about the problems that are facing Nyamira, like all of us. We don't want the problems to continue. But I listened to the chair of Cohesion Committee, Mheshimiwa Abbas.
It's Devolution Committee.
Devolution Committee. And he said it's a progress report. And Mr. Speaker, I was going to support him very much in the original format because he said the recommendation, in fact, the heavy recommendation was that the committee was going to go to the ground. They have suspicions that maybe these factions are supported by politicians, and they were going to have a meeting with the senior politicians there, who is the senator and the governor. Mr. Speaker, this is a very good recommendation, and it's a progress report, so that then they can feel and hear. In our language, we say you want to feel the stomachs of the people of that decision. Because, Mr. Speaker, the committee has had the opportunity to sit and accept and hear the witnesses firsthand. We were not there. And the committee has had the opportunity to listen to the grievances of both sides. We were not there. And the same committee, which is led by a highly respected senator, is saying, let us go and sit like elders. We talk to them. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I was going to suggest that during that meeting, there should be even maybe the religious community or elders to be involved so that some form of understanding can be reached. If that understanding is not reached, Mr. Speaker, I was going to convince the House or pray that at the finality, then those heavy propositions that are being made, that some people must be investigated, maybe arrested, maybe refunds be ordered, can be done after the attempted resolution of the matter in a peaceful way. Mr. Speaker, political problems cannot be solved by courts. Political problems cannot be solved by EACC. This is a political problem, and the best way is this intervening committee to sit with them and talk. But Mr. Speaker, when we say that now the other side must refund the money, the other side, all the meetings they have done are illegal and whatever, and yet the committee is just giving us a progress report, I think it's like the Senate is taking a position before even the meeting is convened. It's like the Senate has already decided. But the committee has not recommended to us that we take that position. And Mr. Speaker, I don't know whether Honorable Senator for Kisumu, who is a member of that committee, I'm not sure. But the chair of that committee has spoken to the progress report. Mr. Speaker, I want to request honorable members, and I stood here to say it's premature. I'm just requesting, give them 1 week or 2 weeks. They will come back having made those attempts. There's nothing wrong with attempting a resolution. Mr. Speaker, those of us who practice law, we have been told many times that a bad consent is better than a good judgment. The best judgment that you can give is not like a poor consent. Even it's better to have a poor consent, but a consent between parties. Why can't we give the opportunity to the chair and his committee to go and attempt a political solution? Why are we in a rush, Mr. Speaker? I'm asking that we don't be seen to be partisan as a house. Let the committee go and attempt. And this amendment that is being introduced, it is finalizing this report. And that was not the intention of the chair. I listened to him carefully. So, Mr. Speaker, unless we are saying we have no confidence in what the chairman and the committee are doing, I think it is unfair to take a position at this time. Whether that position is correct or not is not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, let us give the committee an opportunity to go and listen, seek a political solution. Let us not take a position now on Nyamira so that we can give all political players, maybe the religious groups, maybe the elders there, to give us a solution that will solve this problem once and for all. So, Mr. Speaker, I beg to oppose that amendment and ask that we let the committee go with the first form of the motion, that they go down to Nyamira and attempt a political solution. I beg to oppose. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.